looks like rain. It's supposed to be getting bright and darker later, darker earlier. Oh man, those days, summer over. It's showtime! Over. GoPro Hero 9. Next week, about the time the camera really supposed to come out, they're releasing firmware. And they got you hooked on it. Really got you hooked with the marketing, thinking that you want a perfect camera, and you all cried and bitch and moan about the lagging in the screen and all that stuff. And GoPro did what they did. They got that camera out early for you, like when the testers would get theirs, so they could do their videos and all. And they took all your feedback this time. And they're not saying a word, and they gave you a list of things what they're going to be adding. Well, stuff they didn't want to add. They wanted to see what your comments would have been. GoPro, I'm proud of you doing your job. Double thumbs up for that, tricking the audience out there, thinking that the camera was bad, faulty, I want a refund. See how many people they're gonna lose. Don't take my word for it. It's Fishy's fake news. You all bought a GoPro at what? A 1 full year subscription? Full retail value if you back out at $349? Oh man. I'm not gonna be laughing. I'm gonna be crying. Oh, the fish didn't get his GoPro because it's a perfect camera. The fish got other cameras he wants to sell off. I got a Hero 7 nobody wants. Awesome stuff I'm giving away with it. Too bad. Too bad somebody in the domestic area could have had a wonderful package deal. Anyway, I'm not upset with you and your decisions. I just chose that I got a great camera here I'm using right now, and why should I get another camera with the history of bugs and issues? Use what you got, people, until you're ready to buy a new one. Sell it off. If you can't sell it off and you still got it, that means still use the camera. I know you want bigger, better things, a triple B, but it is what it is, and that's life. Well, I want to thank ladies and gentlemen for joining in. I appreciate your time and support. I am going out of here. Create another video to watch. Read what it says on the back of my shirt. Have a great day, and I'll see you on other videos to come.